Hi, hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial video about how to record your track using TomTom GPS. So in this tutorial video, I will show you step by step how to record your route, track and anything using your TomTom GPS. So first of all, turn on your GPS. So turn it on. So to start recording your track, click on menu. So click on menu button, then scroll to find record track. So let's repeat the process. So you click on menu button, then scroll and click on record route. So click on this button, record route. So as you see here on the top right of your TomTom screen, a red icon appears. So that means you are recording your track. So to stop recording your track, click on this menu and then click on stop recording. So click on it. So to find record the track, you click on my routes. So click on this icon, my routes. Then as you see here, you have all the record the track will be saved under my routes folder. So here you can click on any of your route and click on share tracks. So like this you can share it between. So here you select the track that you want to share and click on share. So insert memory card with enough free space. So here to save it in your memory card. So thank you for watching and see you for next video.